Alright guys, today I'm sharing with y'all Wayne Lane's 82 Chevrolet pickup that he dubbed the Money Pit. Wayne is going to be a week 1 submission for our Fast Trucks Matter, and his truck is powered by a 355 small block Chevrolet, has a 350 turbo transmission with a 28 to 3500 whole shot converter, and a Mosier rear end sporting 411 gears. He stops the timer at a 7 flat in the 8th mile. And here it is in action. Just a heads up guys, Wayne has upgraded the transmission to a Turbo 400 with a trans brake, but has not made any licks on the new setup. So this truck is for sale. If anyone's interested, shoot me an email. As always, please like and subscribe.